BJP Chief Amit Shah today targeted Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and his Ilu Ilu jibe at Mamata Banerjee was his latest attack. While he was addressing a poll rally in Birbhum, Amit Shah said Mamata Banerjee was doing Ilu Ilu with terrorists, but the Modi government will not spare the terrorists. So Mamata Banerjee busy doing Ilu Ilu with terrorists, according to the BJP Chief Amit Shah. Amit Shah there using the lyrics of that famous song, Subhash Ghai's film Saudagar. Ilu Ilu stands for I love you in that particular song, and Amit Shah using those lyrics to attack Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of Bengal.
हमारे 40 जवानों को मार दे, उसके साथ बातचीत करनी चाहिए या बम गिराना चाहिए? जोर से बोलिए, क्या करें? ममता दीदी, आपको टेररिस्टों के साथ इलू इलू करना है तो करिए। ये तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार है। पाकिस्तान से गोली आएगी, यहाँ से गोला जाएगा, इनका जवाब पत्थर से दिया।
Manogia joins us now for more on this. Manogia, a rather creative way of attacking your opponent. Amit Shah also smiling when he made those remarks using those famous lyrics of that song Ilu Ilu in his attack on Mamata Banerjee.
Well, absolutely. Probably even the senior most leaders of the country now have realized that they would be needing some kind of Bollywood lyrics as well as some kind of humor for the serious topics that they've been addressing. But all said and done, these are serious allegations that have been there. The counter-attacks that we've seen there from BJP versus TMC, and even with TMC Chief Minister today, West Bengal Chief Minister just a while ago, has been chanting mantras on the stage and has hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, taking a jibe at him that he will, of course, will not be able to win across the state of West Bengal because of several reasons, and that he has to yet to learn the culture of Bengal. So one after the other, from Bollywood to Tollywood to mantras to chanting them also, everything is being seen in this political battle.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us, Manu.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.